Hi everyone, I'm going to review the Jungsaemmool Essential Skin Nuder Long Way Cushion. I'm sure this has been out for a while, but I decided to give this a try. I got it in the shade number 21 medium. It comes in 3 different shades. Basically, this cushion is supposed to give you a very long lasting, so longevity, but also soft on the skin and hydrating, moisturizing, but also give you that radiant and matte finish. Now this cushion actually comes in with a refill, which I'm so grateful for, and the packaging is very simple, very minimal, but also very nice at the same time. And the best thing about this cushion, I noticed it comes with an awesome big mirror, which is great. But when you actually open the inside, on the left side, it also has this mix and touch blending system where you can put like your primer or any moisturizer on the left to blend with the cushion, depending on how moisturizing you want this cushion is. But I personally think that this cushion gives a very great coverage, as you can see, but also a little push actually goes a long way, as you guys will see soon. But also at the same time, this is very hydrating, so I personally feel that if you prime your face and actually apply this, you don't need any more moisturizer. Now for this first impression review, I solely didn't use any primer so that I can show you guys the longevity. But in this demo here, you can see how easy it is to glide onto the face. In regards of the coverage, I feel that this is the highest coverage I would go for personally, so this is more of a medium to high coverage, which I really like. And what I did throughout the application is that whatever redness I need to cover up, I'll just go back and cover it up. And I like that this cushion doesn't really show a lot of my dry patches. It might look a little bit flaky on some side, but then again, because my skin has been really dry, but I'm so glad that this cushion doesn't make it as obvious as other cushion. And I personally feel that this cushion gives such a flawless finish. It actually feel like my skin, but better, like it just, you can see my skin texture through this cushion. Like obviously my skin is not the best, but it just looks so natural. It doesn't feel fake. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of makeup on my face. And I just love how moisturizing and hydrating this is, especially a matte finish, because I usually personally do not go for matte finish because of my dry skin. Now in regards of the scent, I don't really smell much scent to it, which is great. And after applying makeup, it just looks so much better. Now in regards of the shade, the highest shade they have is number 21 medium, which is my skin color. So yeah, this one also doesn't oxidize, which is great. So overall, this cushion is actually really good, and also it contains seed extracts and white flower extracts, which I've never really usually see in a cushion, but those 2 extracts help to make the skin glow. I don't really see much glow to it, which I'm not fast because I tend to just put highlighter over it. But again, this cushion, this is how it looks like after 10 hours. So you can see around the nose area has faded, but just gone a little bit patchy, but the cushion hasn't really disappeared as much as I thought it would be. Honestly, this cushion, I feel like the longevity is as good as my Heda black cushion. That's how good I think this cushion is. And you guys, if you guys have followed me for a long time, you would know that I love my Heda black cushion. So overall, I'm just very impressed with this longevity. In regards of the ratings, I am giving this a very high rating. Now the price unfortunately is about $30 USD, which I personally think is very similar to the Heda black cushion price. So if you do like the Heda black cushion, I would definitely recommend trying this, and I honestly am very impressed with this. So yeah, in regards of the longevity, again, it does last up to 8 to 10 hours. And again, if you want it to be long lasting, I would just prime and also do a setting spray and you'll be fine. I wouldn't recommend using a setting powder, because obviously this contains some kind of powder that help to make the cushion long lasting anyway. In regards of the moisture, it is so moisturizing. It feels so hydrating on the skin, especially for my dry skin. And the coverage, I feel that it is a medium to high coverage for me, so it's a good enough natural coverage for me personally. And the price itself, I just think that this is pretty affordable for me personally, since I do like my Heda cushion as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.